So guys, I didn't really plan on making a video today, but you know the new Pokemon series that we're making right now, it's in the works. I only just uploaded the video today. It was recorded and done all that stuff 2 days ago, but now we're actually like on it. We're doing the channel, uploading the video. One might be uploaded now or already done. So yeah, if you're watching this now, you might want to click on the other video after this video. So this is my whole collection for the Pokemon series. First, well, we're going to start small with a Vulpix. He's got pretty nice detail on here. I especially like the tail. I've got another Pokemon related to that. I think it's someone like Mudkip now. Sorry about all the sounds in the background. Well, I don't know, but yeah, we have a nice Vulpix here. He's got like a beigey colour for its body, and it looks pretty neat. Let's put Vulpix over here. Now we're gonna get a bit. I don't know what the hell this is. You can tell me in the comments, but I love Pokemon. I know all about them, but I just don't know the names of some of them. This guy looks like some weird Christmas pink fairy thing. He looks like a Clefairy, to be honest. Wait, does he evolve from Clefairy? Or evolve after that? Well, I don't know, but here is, I don't know. Let's say Clefairy Clash, a Panther, a Christmas hat. I mean, literally a Panther, a Christmas hat. Now we have the Almighty. Wait, one sec. The Almighty. Wait, one sec. Larvitar. I really like the eyes on it. It's very detailed in the green. I mean, just a nicely detailed, normal Larvitar. Yeah, looks good. Next one is Venonat. He's a big ball of puffy stink grenade off Fortnite. Yeah, let's just call him stink grenade off Fortnite. Here's a Venonat. Well, I think Venonat is poisonous, so that's why it's probably yellow. And stink bombs in Fortnite smell bad. Let's just class them as poisonous. So here's a stink bomb of Fortnite / Venonat, aka actually Venonat. It's a fourth one. Now we have quite a rare one. Routes. You can't see her eyes, but here's a Route. I think she evolves into Gardevoir, which is pretty cool. And yeah, what do you think? Should she be classed as magic or leaf? Tell me in the comments down below. Magic or leaf? I think magic, because she is magic class. Next we have let me get it real quick. The Derpy Poliwag. Oh, one sec. Let's get my camera on. The Derpy Poliwag. Look how epic he looks. It's so majestic. Really majestic. I like the blue colour on it. The one reason why I like Poliwag is, I mean, just look at him. Just look at this dude. Stare into his eyes and tell me what you see. This guy will haunt you for the rest of your days in your life. Poliwag is always watching. Next one is the Fat Nidoqueen. Yeah, Nidoqueen doesn't really have anything special, except for he's a really, really strong Pokemon. Get back, you're dead. And that is your whole team dead. I mean, this guy will kill you. He will kill you. Well, it looks pretty dope. He's a pretty dope Pokemon to have if you have him in your Pokédex, which I do. So yeah. And the next one let's just go stronger. Let's go with Mega Mewtwo EX. But no, it's not EX. But here we go, Mega Mewtwo X. I think it's Y. Mega Mewtwo Y. Looks pretty cool. Really strong Pokemon. I mean, Mewtwo is my favourite Pokemon, even though he's pretty evil. Right here. Send you back to the Pokemon world. Ah! He's still pretty good. And yeah, this is Mega Mewtwo. Die, because you're evil. Then we have... Wait, what the hell is this? Oh, look, one sec. I want to grab something. Father and son. Wait, one sec. Need to move my hand. No, damn, the camera fell. Okay, so we have the father here. Stand up, camera. Why don't I hold you by the tail? Yeah, so we have the father. Okay, screw it, I'm doing this. Yeah, so we have the father here. Come here, you father and son. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, so we have father and son there. Mudkip and let's just say it's called Mudkip, and then we have a Dratini or Dratini here. Kind of a rare Pokemon. Evolves into like a badass Pokemon. Anyways, Dratini Dracodile, the Dragonite economy ones. And then yeah, we have Dratini. And then we have the most annoying Pokemon on Pokemon Go. What's it called? Bat something. What? No, it's not Golbat. It evolves into Golbat. Okay, I'll think of it at the end of the video. There'll be her. I keep on forgetting all of their names. Let's go a bit stronger this time. Let's go Ekans. Ekans is actually snake spelled backwards, and Arbok, what he evolves into, is Cobra spelled backwards. If you didn't know that, he looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like a poo, his body does. But yeah. Now we have. Yeah, let's go way stronger now. Let's go Poliwrath, but without an arm. My name is Poliwrath, and I don't have an arm. I'll punch you with my right hand. Well, to be honest, I lost his best punching hand. Our Poliwrath isn't really that strong anymore. He could probably just get killed like this. Wait for Mewtwo, where the hell are you? Mewtwo! He could probably just get killed like this now. There's a Poliwrath here. Wait, I have to do the trick again, but I hold it in between my knees. He'd probably just get killed by this. Ba-bow! Ba-bow! Yeah. Then we have. Why do I keep forgetting it? Oh, we have a tiny Mudkip. Go with your father. Father and son really nice. Oh, why do I keep forgetting? Okay, there's an elephant dude. I think his guys are called like Phanpy or something. Phanpy or Elephanty. I forgot what his name was, but yeah. Then we go really strong into the three birds, like the Team Instinct, Team Mystic, and Team Valor. But no, not Team. Yeah, it's Team Valor. I'm on Team Instinct with Zapdos, my boy. It's your boy, Zapdos. So, but the team that I hate the most is Moltres' Team Valor. This guy needs to die. Seriously. Just go over there. I don't like you. Then we have Dino. This guy's a really strange Pokemon. No one likes him. No one knows him, so just go over there. Now we have, I think this guy's called Mantine. If he's not called Mantine, correct me. But I think he is. So now we have We're going to the bigger ones now, like Blastoise. Blastoise was in the first episode of my series, and he did an okay job. I mean, they all got sent back to the Pokemon dimension, but I mean, look how tall he is. He's got 1, 2, 3. He's got a 4-pack. This guy will beat you off. He's even got a 6-pack on his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got a 4-pack on each arm. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 pack. This guy will mess you up. Don't fight with him. Now we have... what's it called? I think he's called like Skater or something. Skater, Pond Skater. Well, he is a Pond Skater, but I think he's just called Skater. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but look at this dude. But we've got way more. Let's just speed through them. We have Pikachu number 1. Look very awesome. Pikachu number 2. 2 looks very awesome. Very awesome indeed. Get in my hand. I've got butterfingers. Yeah. Then we have Fat Pikachu. Right here, just sitting down, lazy stuff. Come here. Lazy morning, yeah. This Pikachu's just lazy. He never fights in battle except for the first battle on the first episode of the first series. Okay, now we have... Aragon. I think he evolves into Aragon. Definitely does. You can just sit on Blastoise. I mean, and look at that. Now we have a Venusaur. Wait, no, not Venusaur. We have a Ivysaur. Very neat right here. We have the evolution of Snivy, but I forgot what his name was. Let's just call him Big Snivy. Now we have the almighty Zapdos. Right here. Support this team. It is the best team in the world. Or else it will peck you. Kiki! Now we have this fat mouse right here. You need to stop going Maggie D's. I should get fat like this guy. Look at this guy. Let's go over there. This video is getting long. We have Fat Froggo with the poisonous things on him. Like a poison dart frog. I have to make this video quick. Here's Poliwrath's arm. Pretty cool. Wait, I need to attach him. Poliwrath. Look, this is going to be epic creation. Dr. Finkelsh's creation. Here's it. Yes! Yes! Oh no. Okay, then let's just leave it there. Yeah, Poliwrath cut his arm back. Then we have a weird bat dude. I have to make this video really quick, else I'm going to have to put my phone number and do all that jazz to make it longer. Okay? Okay. Then we have a leaf dude who looks like a turnip. A mutant turnip. Why do I keep on forgetting these names? I have all of them in my Pokemon card collection. Maybe it's just because... Ah! A phone. Okay. Maybe it's just because I'm looking at all the good cards. And I keep on forgetting their names. So, yeah, this guy. Then we have... Wait, no. Then we have a Diglett dude. He doesn't look like Diglett, but he is. Let's just say he's Mega Diglett. Because you got diggy things on it. Oh my god, we need to speed through. We got Fatly. Kaka, Kiki. We have Metang. I think it's called Metang. I think he's like the baby. He evolved into Metagross. I know that. Then we have a weird horse. What? Why did I just say a weird horse? A weird wolf? I mean, we have a wolfy person. Yeah, right here in the wolf pack. Da-dun-da-dun-da. Then I know I'm messing up this guy who has no eyes, and I caught him in Pokemon Go, but I don't know his name. I'm sorry, but this is your punishment for not being a good Pokemon in Pokemon Go. You were 10 CP. Then we have the almighty villain in the first episode, Mewtwo. Right here, right now. Mewtwo is coming to kill you. Well, that was a bit of a terrible episode. Wait, Moltres, you need saving. But I'm going to end this video here. 3, 2, 1. Bye.